Good evening. My name is Mamta Patil. Today's date is 12th March 2024, and today's video topic is the constructor in Java. The constructor in Java, we will discuss in this video the concept of the constructor in Java and their types. The constructor in Java, it is a the constructor in Java. The constructor in Java, it is a similar to the method and it is a same as the class name, and it is the same name as the class name. When then it is called when it is called the create a instance of the class, the create a instance of the class when at the time when object when class is create when class is create the object in the memory, it is allocated in the memory. The constructor is the special type of method that is used to the initialize the value when we are created a constructor that is used to a new keyword, that is used to a new keyword. In there are four type of constructor. First one is a default constructor, then second one is a parameterized constructor, and fourth one is the private constructor, and last one is the copy constructor. We will discuss one by one. The first one is a default constructor. The default constructor means that is a no parameter. The constructor has a no parameter is known as the default constructor. When we if we write a constructor with a zero parameter, the compiler will not be it does not create a object, so that's why the JVM and compiler that cannot be create a instance of the class, because the Java provide a default constructor. When we manually create a constructor, that is compiler that cannot be create a instance of the class, so we cannot create the object. That is the drawback of the default constructor. And second one is the parameterized constructor. In the parameterized constructor is known as the that has the parameterized that has a parameter is known as parameter, that it is known as a parameterized constructor. When we pass or initialize the field of the methods, it class with the create the object and create the instance of the class. So we will provide or pass the field of the method the parameter, it will create the instance of the class, so that can taken from the field of the methods parameters. That is known as the parameterized constructor. The next one is the private constructor. The private constructor is widely used in the Java programming. That is only used for the when we token the create of the instance of the class, that will developer has no only one constructor is strictly only one constructor has called and create the instance of their class. That is so that's time they will use the private constructor. Then next one is the copy constructor. The copy constructor is unlike other constructor. The copy constructor the copy constructor create the other object. It create the instance of the class by using the new keyword. So it is all about the constructor in Java. Thank you.